Mafethu sanibonani ma South Africa mahle sanibonani ma Africa mahle. This is Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis match review. Namhlanje egamini Mamelodi Sundowns and Golden Arrows. And Golden Arrows and again the league champions, the defending champions winning the game 2-1. Lapana very close. Very close. 2-1. I mean manje iligi seyashisa bafethu and namanye ama team now they are playing amanye ama team they are playing to get into the top 8, amanye ama team they are playing to run away from relegation zone lapha phansi, amanye ama team alwela ukungena ukudlala iCAF Confederation Cup, iCAF Champions League. So right now bafethu iBetway Premiership the way shisa ngakhona, all the teams, everyone is playing for something. Akekho umuntu ongadlaleli odlalela nje mahala. But namhlanje, to be precisely, sizobe sifocus egamini Mamelodi Sundowns and Golden Arrows. And remember, Golden Arrows, they managed to beat Mamelodi Sundowns 1-0 previously this season. Ibashayile umanqobu ishayile Sundowns 1-0, but I guess this time ucoach Cardoso uyiplanile kangcono umanqoba Mngcithi. Before ngifaka usense bafethu njengoba nazi ukuthi angisebenzi ngi1 sizoyihlafuna le ndaba ye-Sundowns ne-Golden Arrows, sizoyihlafuna no sense. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates as Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis. Shuffling Tiski Ringers ntwana Mamelodi Sundowns 2 Golden Arrows 1.
Yeah, Namke ngilochise usibusiso kaMahlangu aka Sense of Knowledge. Onjabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis. Shuffling Tiski Ringers. Ntwana. Mamela mfethu. Hey. Yeah, the league is getting interesting ntwana. I watched Sundowns izolo and I have to give a coach and his technical team and obviously the players a big heads up ukuthi they play a very disciplined football in Sundowns. They are very disciplined. They dictate the tempo of the game. And they also play within a structure. They don't just play in J.
Yeah.
You can see, Joe, our games are coming thick and fast. Obviously, you're going to have players that are cramping now because of the overload their games. So you can see how Mamelodi Sundowns plays now. It's not a fast game.
Yeah.
They control the game.
Yeah.
They control the game.
Yeah.
And certain areas of the game, they change the tempo.
They change the team.
Do you understand? So
yeah.
It's an observation from me.
Yeah.
Which these guys, they know their stuff. These guys, they know how to win the league. And a big thing from me is the discipline of our players with Mamelodi Sundowns. They are so focused. They play like in the build-up phases. They are in their structure. You know, Tebisa Ulapia, no Adams in the middle. They know where to move. The only time there is chaos is when they get into the attacking third, the last third, the movement. Then that's where you see Reiners making that run. You see Usales. You see Abomudao coming in, ngama overlaps. That's where they create a chaos. But once they are still in the build-up phases, you can see in Tuana structure, how they move the ball. Yeah. And that's commendable from our players with Sundowns. We will be disciplined throughout the game. This time of the season, you need cool heads. No, you need cool heads. You don't need to tatazela. You don't need to panic.
You don't need to tatazela.
No, don't tatazela, bruh.
Okay.
Don't tatazela, bruh. Cool heads. Let's play according to the way it's playing accord. Singat masifike grounding now. The score is 1-1. Now everyone is going everywhere. We are losing the way it's playing a corner. Sundowns players, they stick to structure and the way they're playing a corner, and that's why they've been dominating this league for quite some time now.
Yeah, Mari Golden Arrows, they've got young players,
Yeah.
Young team, when I'm Dladla, and they beat Sundowns 1-0
Yes.
before.
Yes.
But what was the approach Golden Arrows? Dladla? Because, of course, I don't know, Uguti, ikhona coach engathi sidlala neSundowns namhlanje we siyaba challenger pound for pound siyabalanda. What was the strategy and yini into yenza ukuthi what went wrong for plan Arrows mdladla wami?
I must say, Mina, I was thinking le game le because it's Mangoba Mnitz against his former team. First round, Ubashayile. Second round is coming back to Loftus Versfeld. I was looking out for fireworks, but that never happens. Plainly because Arrows never played their football. I've watched Arrows a couple of times. They play some enterprising football. They look to knock the ball, you know. But in this game, it looks like, again, they came for a point. Because they never played. Never played. Like, Mangit, they never played. Nothing happened.
So they respected the Sundowns.
They respect Chile and I'm a players that I was looking out for, which they will at least give his Mamelodi Sundowns a problem. They were nowhere to be found. Coach even had to make a substitute in the first half. Then it tells you Uguchi there was something wrong maybe with the players because I don't think Coach Mangoba can go into a game to say Azimafet Ashalin. Yes, they cannot go pound to pound ne Mamelodi Sundowns, but there's a plan when we have the ball, let's try to keep it not because we have players who are capable to play. But Ilontuzane, Colin Arrows, they gave us nothing.
Yeah, I think that we must take into consideration Arrows is a young team.
Yeah.
Arrows 22, 19, 23. Arrows is a very, very young team, and Umangoba, he always, uyakwazi to keep the best out of Intwane Ngane. Of course, against the Mamelodi Sundowns and playing away from home, it was not going to be easy. Yes, and Valley approach, it will be different than the first leg when they won at home against the Sundowns. You can't come to Sundowns uvule yonke into to yabalana bazokulimaza. But I think they've managed the Sundowns man for at least 28 minutes to 30 minutes mdladla. Lintwana zithi ngathi zibabambile defender kamnandi until that combination play between Umudau because the Sundowns they use a lot. Okay, they use both Maba no Opri. No Opri makanga khona ngale, they use a lot of left because Opri mnandi can go touchline, he can also drift inside and he can also pass okushangala amapass wakhe alibele alapha ku number 3 lama defending lawa ngithi uphula ama window ilawa ngithi ukuphula ama window alibele alapha yana uyakhona ukuphula ama window uOpri and pass a striker between the central defenders. So sometimes they've got so much variety in their game. It's not even easy to to plan against them, but at least the 2-1 scoreline it looks a bit respectable for Intwane Ngane as a Golden Arrows. But coming to that first goal mdladla, because wonke ama team in my opinion kule game ngiyazi ukuthi vele beba drope kakhulu. Umdawuza nebhola from a side like a left back, he always right back, he always come inside and look for a combination lapayana, and then he plays that ball to Umudiba, and Umudiba normally he's a left back, but Umudiba received ushayele suspended lesana makadlalela Umkwena. Ureceiver ku number 10. Ufika kanjani lapha ku number 10 awuthiyabi bese azoshayela suspended lesiya. Bese Umkwena, the experience of Kwena before ngene, the experience of Kwena ilento esayisho kwenye game yaka Orlando Pirates uMaswangayi, there was a ball abamdlala yona. Konje bedlala nani Pirates?
Yeah, I remember the game.
Angisazi bedlala nani la alithepe khona labaleka wafuna yena ukuba in control kanti kumele ufake ubonzi. Look at Umukwena experience yakamkwena, and for iGolden Arrows for iplayer njengosise, they've got this 19-year-old yase Ivory Coast liyantwana le mnandi le. Simple football, one touch, two touch, and I feel ukuthi nabo laphayana usise they should have been aware in terms of when they are playing ukuthi you can't leave uTebogo Mokoena good D-line out here I1 without the pressure uzokupunisha. And beautiful goal from Mokoena, but beautiful team goal from Sundowns.
njengoba ungibuza ngo-Aubrey ukuthi how does he get there.
Ufike kanjani?
Imamelodi Sundowns izolo they played a different game whereby normally when you watch Sundowns, where does Matthews play? On the right, on the left?
On the left.
On the left. Namhlanje on the day against Arrows was playing on the right. Ununo was on the left. And Ununo was hugging the line, allowing Aubrey to underlap. He was no longer overlapping. Always when they got the ball, they got underlap angena phakathi.
Okay.
Uyangithola? That's how you found him there.
There.
And there's a lot of there's a lot of passes, combination passes. He tried to play with Aubrey Lapia, and then you had Umudau. He had a brilliant game Umudau jo izolo. I beka khuphuka jo. I beka khuphuka plan uze wangikhumbuza uSizwe Mutawu.
Yeah, the late.
No, I know beka khuphuka jo. Beka khuphuka. Also uTebogo Mokoena izolo, he was more on the box than any other game ngimbona idlala jo. And that is plainly because of Lentwanu Adams. Iyakhona ukumcover na allow Tebza ukuthi
lento nimnandi kakhulu. Ebafethu Adams unzima nzima. Alenzima le. Hayi phuma.
1-2 touches iphume into.
No.
Body positioning. Ntwani yabo. So he makes ispan saka Tebza sibe very easy because normally Tebza when he plays, he's a player that plays for the team.
Yeah, he's a team player.
Yeah, he wants to cover everyone. He knows where gunama. So he's that guy when the team attacks, he knows he comes from behind. But in this game, I think he was a player of the match as well because he was even going forward. There's a moment where he had a run on the left. I've never seen Tebza run that much. I think in the 9th minute or something. Ulbambe ga left, combine Aubrey on the left, Obambi line, wa move on the line. Wathatha indoda, walibeka space in what asambe indoda. Wacela ukuthi mina ngakhe. Ndoda wayishiya le yapha waze wayongena eboxini. So that's the game that Tebza had, a brilliant game from Umfana, and I was happy to see him refreshed because it seemed like he was overloaded in my games. Sundowns gave him a break. There's a game and him refreshed you can see he's fresher even in body language yakhe to fresh and he wants to play.
No, mfethu, that's good because I can easy for free ngukutshele manje ukuthi yes iSundowns mayiqala isizini iqale ngathi kunama problems because obviously there were new players that came in. Abo Santos, Resino, etc. and other players. But manje, in my view, mina as Uchabu, I think but pick up a form very at the right time. Right now, I think Sundowns will continue to be unstoppable. And a team that will be very, very difficult to beat. And Nabo, they should have scored more goals. If you check the scoreboard, Nabo, they should have scored more goals. They were not clinical, enough compared to the chances Nabo that they've created in that game. And that's another thing when we were talking about Orlando Pirates. They need to be clinical. Both teams, it seems they are not that clinical. But now, as for Sundowns, because Pirates ultimately ishushu vele uyabona beyuthimbe lifuthumele abantu baze bacabanga ukuthi iSundowns nami self ngize ngicabanga ukuthi iSundowns there's a problem. But because I've played the game, I know when there's a new coach, coach omusha makafika kuza nama player masha vele kuzoba nama few weeks whereby you try this combination, you try that combination, you try this combination, you try that combination. Because Sundowns, you can put anyone, anywhere, anytime he can play. It was just a matter of getting those combinations right. And I think Coach Cardoso, we have to give him credit. I think, yes, he's been winning 1-0, 2-1, 1-0. But Joba ile to see show. It's better to build a team getting the results than to build a team losing.
Yes.
When I'm out. It's better, it's better to build a team getting the results, even if it's a narrow win. But those wins, they now transform into a winning mentality. And I think Orlando Mamelodi Sundowns, I have to give credit to the coach and the technical team. I think now we can see Coach Cardoso what he wants to do. and the players are responding very well. But mina into enkulu for mina, enkulu kulu is to see South Africans in the starting lineup. We're having 8
True, Ntwana.
players
True.
and for Bafana. Guys, mina I'm patriotic niyangena.
Yeah.
Makufika kubafana bafana ngiyahlaya. Yabona. So it's good. I saw now Williams, Mutau, Kekane, Ndamane, Mudiba, Adams is back now. He has found his form now. He's ubegu alende ngaphandle.
Yeah.
It's not easy.
It's not easy.
Hey baba, ukubeka alende it's not easy guys,
Yeah.
but this boy now is Katsake. Now he's ube nama rough times Mamelodi Sundowns, but we all go through that, but now you can see he's refreshed. Now he's fresh. Now he wants to go to the World Cup,
Yeah.
but before he goes to the World Cup, he
play
needs
here.
to make sure he performs for Mamelodi Sundowns. So it was good to see all those players, Reyners,
Reyners,
Mokoena, Adams, Mudiba, all of them. Nundamane is a Bafana player.
Yes.
So Mina, I'm happy to see that
Yeah.
the balance is well now, and to see Reyners coming back, Baba. Second game, 3 goals. Beshota ngaye ku-AFCON lo mfana.
Ntwana, and that's another
Sikhulumile,
that's
beshota
another
ngaye
big
ku-AFCON.
point in Ntwana nami engiyibonile, and I'm happy about it. And I say, Coach, big ups for bringing back Reyners.
And no,
The country needs Reyners.
no Adams. No Adams.
No Adams. And like you're saying, all the players that are playing for Bafana, they are getting a chance to play now,
Yeah.
which is very good for us, building up for or
World
preparing
Cup.
for the World Cup.
Yes.
So it's very good to see these players playing and performing very well.
Yeah.
So like they are performing. They've put the standard there. They want to win the league. They are also playing for a World Cup. So well done to Mamelodi Sundowns. But Reyners, Mfethu, talking about him, that guy is a born finisher, Mfethu.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's the advantage that Mamelodi Sundowns have over Orlando Pirates. They've got 2 finishers in Reyners
and Leon
and
Manch.
Leon,
Yes.
Those guys,
Oh, wow,
they
that's
finish.
a good point. Yeah.
That's the advantage that they have.
Because ngale uMakgopa noMbuthuma abekho mnandi kahle
They are
nge-finishing.
workaholics,
Yeah.
and they release a Mabasa who is a finisher.
Okay.
That is why sometimes Amanyama Game Pirates would play nice, create chances. They don't have a finisher.
Okay,
It's
sharp.
unfortunate it's too late now
Yeah.
to cry for Umabasa.
Yeah.
But it's a blunder for them to release that guy.
Asihlale kulaba beSundowns.
Yeah. So Mamelodi Sundowns in Ntwana
Inaleyo advantage.
inaleyo advantage. Uyangithola? And another player, another player that I want to talk about, Undamane.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Big,
Undamane
big boy, yeah?
is a big boy.
Big boy.
He's a left-footed centre back.
Yeah.
Very scarce in Ntwana.
Yeah.
Very scarce. He needs to work hard. He needs to improve because he's going to be a very important figure even Nakuba Bafana.
Yes.
So he needs
Yes.
to know which is he's not a young boy. He's not a young boy. He's going for that position with Umbogazi.
Yeah.
So he must limit
So
some
22
mistakes.
years. He's
Yes.
22 years. Umbokazi is 20. So
Uyangithola?
intanga.
So
Intanga. Qhuta
my peers.
maniki. Yeah,
So
my
he must
peers.
fight. He must know which I'm a big boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then une advantage height.
Yeah, height. Uyangithola?
Futhi.
Uyangithola boy. So he must work hard. He must not treat himself as a young boy and make school error mistakes.
So do you think it was a penalty that tackle come down?
Yazi
Ngibone
angizisho
ngathi
ngibonile
ishayela.
ngathi ishaya isandla but mina ngibone
Kwenye
ngathi
angle,
ishayela
ngathi
kwenye
ishayela.
angle.
That's why
Yes,
mara
I'm not
It's
sure.
not for us guys.
Yes.
Bakhona bo principal ku SABC abazositshela bayicazulule kahle but nami different angles enye ibonisa ngathi handball, you know TV injani but ntwana asingayikhulumi leyo.
Yeah.
Akusindawo yethu.
Yeah.
Bakhona bo principal bazayiceda manje lapha kubo soccer zone kubuma SABC. But now umfana get a red card Adams, and when I
Yeah.
check that tackle, I know he's not a dirty player.
Yeah.
You know, it was just a 50-50, but when you look at the tackle, the inside of the
Yeah,
ankle and
yeah.
bekangamphula lapha.
Yeah.
I think it was a correct decision for a straight red card
Straight red card,
in my
yes,
view.
yeah.
Although Untwana is not a dirty player, he's not someone that is normally, kicking people
Yeah, I know.
intentionally. It was just a 50-50, but still, Sundowns yini lento ebenza ukuthi after early red card ngaboma 52 minutes 56 minutes
Yeah,
they were
very
already
early.
one man down, but they played like they were still, actually they played like they were 12.
Yeah.
Badlala abantu bemo. What was that thing mdladla Sundowns enza ukuthi bangabonakali nokuthi they were one man down from 50, let's say 55 minutes ukuya le until the game iziphela? And yini Arrows into engayenzanga kahle to capitalize on that, because they somehow kunomuntu oyi-one we-Arrows ekumele abe free.
Exactly, Ntwana. Okay, players with Sundowns won themselves. You know, sometimes, or most of the times, it's very difficult to play against a 10-man team because players, they double their effort.
Automatically.
They know which we are one man down. So everyone works extra hard.
Yeah.
That's in football. If you know football, you know it's always going to be difficult to play against Ilontuzan. But now Golden Arrows, they should have tried to take advantage of that one man extra wabo, and they did not use that. Yes, they tried to
kumele
see-
bayenze mdlali encane mhlambe uyi-identify encane ukuthi esani kube mdlala at least if bayenze so maybe bebangayibambi i-Sundowns.
I think they should have put more numbers up front, lapha, because Umudaw is going up, uLontuzana uyakhuphuka naye.
Yeah.
But thina sine extra man asichiteni ngomuntu oyi-1.
Akube
lapha phambili.
akube ne-play
Yes,
cheater.
because they had uDion angithi as a striker. Akube nomunye oyi-1 ozochita phambili, sibe na extra man, and let's see if Umudaw will continue to go up or Oprah will continue to go up, but we still keep the same shape that we have. Uyangithola? But oyi-1 akachite lapha angasabuyi because obviously nomuntu oyi-1 extra. So why simbuyisa? Asiyakame lapha and create more numbers phambili.
Oh yeah.
Yabo.
No bafethu, and then the impact yaka Allende uyazi ke i-Sundowns mase ifaka u-Allende ntwana ne iyastabilize
Control igame.
lapho seyayi-control igame, and uSaling I know azange adlale, but in the previous game u-assistile. What's your take njengoSaling before sivala this episode mdlala? Just njengoSaling already sekane assist.
Yeah.
Uyangunderstand, and
Yeah.
uyambona na ebusweni
Ukuthi
the previous
seka-
game is happy.
Yeah.
Now he's focused in doing what we know Salins does best, which is to create opportunities, to run at defenders, to score goals, and to enjoy football.
Yeah, Umchita uzoyigaya something iLontuzana. He will contribute in Sundowns winning the league. From the way he came in, wa creator, and the way he plays, uyambona ukuthi he's got the point to prove. And also maybe he's saying there's a World Cup coming, I might sneak in. You know, you will never know.
You'll never know.
That boy has got a goal in him as well.
As well, yeah.
Uyamthola. So and the futhi into engithanda ngayo lo Mchita lo ukuthi his big games he shows up. Akusila player now in big games he shows up. Then that's what I like about him. Uyakora, he can create. So he's a good addition to Mamelodi Sundowns. And njengoba sekusela ama games ntwana few kanje. Wonke ama game ntwana important manje. Akuna game engathi injani njani. All the games for Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates are very, very, very important. You cannot afford to drop points, even though they're gonna drop points, but they cannot afford to drop points.
Yeah, because the next game is Sundowns, Masicheka, Gulik, it's Obit and Marumo. The next two games, because Badlala Nekef, the next two games it's Obit away and Marumo Galancy at home.
What Sundowns score goals lapho. Remember ukuthi sikhuluma nge-goal difference. What Sundowns against Obit score more goals and against Marumo.
Yeah, because Badluli Pirates got 1 goal right now.
Those are the games manje la kumele ucollect khona ama goals. It's not a 1-0 2-1 score lapho. I expect boma 3 goals nyana ukuya phezulu.
Oh, Bafethu. Thank you, Bafethu. But well deserved to Masandawana. They are the defending champion. Axi mistake Utama defending champion. I mean, all the teams as a PSL, they want to beat Mamelodi Sundowns because they are the defending champions. They've been dominating our domestic league for 8 years or so. So they are the men. They are the men. Yeah. they are the men.
The man.
Ne? Thank you, Mafetu. Well done to Mamelodi Sundowns. Let's keep on going as long as Tina, as analyst, as abantu abathanda ibhola, as football people, as long as this league will go until the last day. I mean, before Sivala, first one. Last time, during this time, Sundowns be leading about 9 or 12 points.
Yeah.
League bese hambile already, but this year it's beautiful. Even the sponsors, Ziyajabula, and the stadiums. Well done to the fans, Orlando Pirates fans and Mamelodi Sundowns supporters. Gulama game wise all way to come in numbers, and the stadiums are now, you know, getting packed. Sokuba sold out manje ama-game we-PSL is something esayigcina kudala. It's because of, you know, the quality enisinikeza yona, and also nabo Sikhukhune nabo Chiefs. Chiefs seyehlile seku number 6, nabo Sikhukhune nabo AmaZulu, they are also nabo raising their hands in terms of getting that spot ku-CAF, ku-CAF ukudlala i-CAF football. So well done Masandawana, 2-1 against Golden Arrows. Well deserved win. Sizobona ukuthi abobani yiphi team ezostop i-Sundowns bafethu in terms of winning the league or taking the league away from i-Sundowns. That was Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis. Shuffling Tiski Ring us ningakhohlwa to like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates as Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis. Shuffling Tiski Ring. Adios.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap. Masandawana, Mapagania, Shapa.